Missing elements when using selenium-chromedriver to automatically save as PDF. I am trying to automatically save a PDF file created with PDFTX, this URL, using the selenium-chromedriver. It almost works except captions of figures and sometimes even part of the figures are missing. Manually saved. Automatically saved using Selenium and Chrome-WebDriver. Here is my code. You need the Chromium WebDriver, this URL, in the same folder as this script. Sometimes when I manually print this happens, too. But if I then change any of the printing options, the preview reloads and the image captions are there again and stay there no matter what options I further enable, disable. What I tried so far. Different Chrome WebDriver versions, 71, 72, 73, from this site, this URL. Enable background graphics by adding ISK's background enabled, true, to the app state.
So, through fiddling around, I came by the solution by accident. I don't really understand why, but enabling that print browser mode enables print browser mode, in which everything renders as though printed, solves the issue. This may or may have to do with CSS loading properly. I just need to add chrome_options.add_argument, enable print browser, and all elements are there.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.